Hey guys, my name is Josephine and I'm here to give you easy tips on how to protect your paint job and prevent it from looking like this and like this. So the first step is where you park. So you need to park underneath a shade. So that's underneath trees when it's not raining, or invest in a shade like this or a car cover. So this protects your car from UV rays which cause fading. So the second step is preventing harsh conditions. So clean your car from bad droppings and insects which have acid that can erode your car paint. So thirdly, you need to invest in proper cleaning tools. A microfiber towel like this one, Sigunia, and proper car soap, not Omo. So number 4, regularly inspect your paint to check for scratches and chips and get them filled in or buffed in time such to prevent further damage or rusting. Most importantly, you need to get your painting done from a reputable body shop to prevent issues like excess filler, which can cause it to crack and the wear and tear. So the final one, get your car waxed regularly. You can get this done every 3 months. You can do it yourself. Get a waxing kit from any major supermarket or auto spares shop. And also get your car done with a protective coating or ceramic coating. This can be done at any body shop.